with you? Annabelle, that's weird.
I'm a snowman.
Who do you think you are, LeBron James? Wait, hold on.
I'm a snowman.
Annabelle, is that a snowman? No, stop it! Stop! Ow! Ow! Stop! Oh my gosh! I love you, Ramir!
I have an idea. I like SpaghettiOs.
Annabelle! Your butt is weird. Wow! Strawberry peps are so delicious! Yeah!
I'm a snowman.
Why did she do this to me?
I have an idea.
I want cheese! No, where are those strawberries? Annabelle!
Damn, that looks like one tasty piece of cheese. I like rolling down toilet paper.
Oh!
And this is where I play Fortnite! Well, Bloom, I can't believe it either! Just...
Jeez. Well, Annabelle, why would you give me some glass figure of yourself?
Because I know you love me. Well, I'm glad you liked it. Diary of a Wimpy Kid, lol, huh?
You know that Donald Trump guy? He works at McDonald's!
I farted.
I totally wet myself.
LeBron James?
And now it's like,
Babe! Imposter! Dancing in the mirror, singing in the shower. Wait, why isn't the shower on?
well, hello, Bloom.
You know what? I'm out.